Everyone, hi, I'm Jalfred. If you are a beginner in electronics, you should buy a best tools. For example, a soldering iron. Try this Tamagawa soldering iron, purely made in Japan. I've been using this for 2 years without trouble encountered. It has replaceable element inside. It's look at. Try now.
Hi, I am Christian, and today I will be showing to you the basic part of a multi-tester. First is we have the selector. We can select from ohmmeter and voltage meter. The voltage meter is separated by two. First, this red one is the alternating current, and the white is direct current. Another is the 0 ohm adjuster. This is the 0 ohm adjuster. You can adjust it. You can turn it. Next is the pointer. You can see inside is the pointer. That one. Then this is the positive knob. This is the positive, the red one. And the negative is the black. At the back of the multi-tester, we have the batteries. We have 3 batteries. One is 9-volt battery and 2 AA battery. This is a Samwa multi-tester, and I also use this in repairing. It is so affordable, but it is high quality. And that's all. Visit our website www.basicelectronics.com.